everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen. I'm going to be talking about this beautiful Wisteria EasyPress bundle that's exclusive to Joann's, just like the Wisteria Cricut Air 2 bundle that I shared in a previous video. They both are done in this gorgeous Patone color of the year, ultraviolet purple like lavender color. You can see it better in person, but if you kind of move the machine around, look right up here. It kind of has like this metallic-y sheen to it. So I really, really love that. What you'll get in the EasyPress bundle, again, exclusive to Joann's, is your beautiful EasyPress. That obviously comes with like this little docking station, safe docking station to set your EasyPress down in. You're gonna get 4 sheets of these already pre-made iron-ons, which are freaking awesome. Awesome. I love this one. Actually has like a metallic gold background to it. That's so awesome. So you can literally cut this in half and have 2 projects out of this sheet. Then you have this sheet here, and they all come with a little paper liner behind it to protect them. Then you're going to get this one, and then you're going to get this really cute one that you can cut out and get 4 uses out of, but it's like a cute one for babies, for onesies, little diaper bags, totes, whatever you want to iron these on, you can. So you're going to get 4 sheets of these. The other one is on the project that I already made that I will share with you guys when I'm done reviewing this. You're going to get a package of this new Sport Flex iron-on. With this package of the Sport Flex iron-on, you'll get a blue sheet and you'll also get a black sheet, but I already used some of this for a shirt that I made for one of my sons. It will be in a later post on my blog. But, you know, the Sport Flex, you know, it just works better with your body and activity and all that. So it's a new iron-on, which they came out with. Of course, like in any package you get like your books and your guides and warranties and those kinds of things. But one of the things I absolutely love is this reference chart. So let me see if I can get up close. The reference chart is basically going to tell you what to put your EasyPress heat setting at, and then how long you're going to press that item. So it's just a nice little reference guide, and I want to get this laminated so that it doesn't get ruined, because I will definitely refer back to this more than once. I'm not going to be sharing like a full review how-to on the EasyPress just yet. I just wanted to more talk about the bundle deal that's going on right now at Joann's. I believe till the end of May, or it may be till this weekend. It's the perfect Mother's Day gift, both the EasyPress bundle or the Cricut Air 2 bundle that I shared in another video. But what I do want to talk about is how awesome this EasyPress machine is. The first thing that I love, obviously, is it's pretty and it's cute. Like I don't want to hide it away. Like I want to put it on display in my craft room. I love how much surface it's going to cover. Like any one of these transfer sheets, the EasyPress is pretty much going to cover that full surface. It has, you know, of course, the metal heat plate there, but I love that it sits down inside of this safe little docking station. It's safe all the way around. So how many of you have been terrified when you've had your iron out and you're working on an iron project, or you're just ironing and you're worried, A, that you're going to get burnt or hit it, or B, a child's going to come in and for a split second you don't see and they hit it or touch it and get burnt? Well, having this sitting inside of this, that's not going to happen. And this thing, it's not super heavy, but it's heavy enough that a small child cannot, in the amount of time that it might take for them to lift that up, they're not going to be able to do that and get burnt before you're aware or see what's going on, if that makes sense. So I absolutely love the safety feature. I think it's a safety feature. Then you have your temperature, where you can click the temp and you can move up to whatever temp based off of that chart and then set it. And then you can hit your timer. So you would hit timer. Let's just say we're going to do our project. Oh. Then you can hit timer and you can go down. So let's do 25 seconds and you hit it. This means it's warming up to that temp, and when you get the green light, you are given the go to use your EasyPress, and then it will start counting down for you until the timer runs out, and then it tells you your project is done. So everything is super easy. and there we go. So it's set. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this up and I will start ironing my project until the timer counts down, and then it's done. So stay tuned for that. I will share like our whole review and share a project with you guys in a later video. But for now, I just wanted to talk about, again, the bundle deal. And you guys can check the description box and go to my blog post, because in my blog post, I talk about, again, the bundle. Let me share the project I did with one of these already pre-made iron-ons. Here is that other iron-on you would get in the bundle, Maker's Gonna Make, and it came just like this. I just used the EasyPress, placed it on there, ironed it on, boom. And then I embellished it with some cute little yarn tassels, more ribbon. I did like this little loopy beaded design here and another little tassel. So I just made this apron. It would have been cute just with the iron-on, but I embellished it a little bit more. So again, check the link down below to go to my blog to learn more and get more information, and to check out that link. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye!